Since the scientists came into play in the world during the 17th century, more and more scientists found breakthroughs. Since then, the attention put into dental health has been supremely important. I am Justin Charles Von Possel, and we will be talking about dental medicine advancements during the 18th century in Europe. We can't talk about dental advancements in this time period without talking about the one and only father of modern dentistry, Pierre Fauchard. He is a French surgeon, and despite the limitations of that era, he adapted improvisations like using tools from watchmakers, jewelers, and barbers to use as tools for dentistry. He introduced dental fillings for cavities, which he asserted was caused by sugar derivative acid like tartaric acids. He also introduced dental braces to correct the position of teeth with gold wires and silk threads. Fauchard believed that the main way people should keep their teeth clean is by washing their mouth every morning with water and rubbing the teeth with a wet sponge. 1723, Le Chirurgien Dentiste, or the Surgeon Dentist, is published by Pierre Fauchard. The book deals with basic oral anatomy and function, operative and restorative techniques, and denture construction. His work inspired many others in France and Germany to follow suit. Robert Bunon, 1702 to 1748, known as the first hospital dentist, practiced in Paris. He wrote a number of tracts and spent many years of his life in enamel hypoplasia research. Etienne Bourdet wrote a book on research and observations, especially the parts of the art of dentistry, or this book title, on 1757. He is considered to be the second best dentist after Fauchard. Claude Mouton published his essay De Dontotechnie, all about mechanical dentistry, and later became the dentist to the King of France. Philippe Pfaff made Abhandlung von den Zähnen des menschlichen Körpers und deren Krankheiten, or treatise on the teeth of the human body and their diseases, based largely on Fauchard's work, including some other new information. Johann Buching was one of Fauchard's German followers who wrote the complete handbook on tooth extraction for practicing surgeons on 1782. The fact that sugar is bad for the teeth was brought into attention by Thomas Berdmore, who was England's leading dentist and one to King George III. Berdmore wrote the first English dental textbook, a treatise on the disorders and deformities of the teeth and gums, explaining the rational methods of treating their diseases with illustration. He also had a thought that smoking is hurtful to the teeth. John Hunter was a Scottish surgeon and one of the early advocates of careful observation and scientific method in medicine. He taught and collaborated with Edward Jenner, who was the pioneer of the smallpox vaccine. John learned anatomy early and became an expert on the topic later on. He worked with the dentist James Spence, conducting tooth transplants, and set an anatomy school in London. John Hunter was regarded as the father of modern scientific surgery, as he did his own surgical experiments and collected over 13,000 specimens of separate organ systems from plants, animals, and humans. During the 18th century, calculus was used to refer to the mineral buildup in human and animal bodies, like in teeth and kidney stones. Tartar, like the white encrustation inside cast, became a term used in the early 19th century. Again, I've been Justin Von Possel. That's it for today's topic. See ya!